video, we had learned about our natural resources, which are divided in renewable resources and non renewable resources. And we had also learned that there is a need to take care of renewable resources because if we don't do care for them, then these get polluted. So, here we are moving further and we'll do the topic pollution, that how the renewable resources get polluted. Pollution. Pollution means making the air, water, and soil dirty by adding harmful substances. When harmful substances are added in our renewable resources and disturbs their composition, then there will be pollution. Water, a valuable resource. Water, which is the base of our life. Water is a renewable natural resource and it is renewed by water cycle. Water is very useful for all living beings. It quenches our thirst. We use water for cooking, cleaning, watering plants, making electricity, and as a mean of transport also. However, some of our actions pollute water and cause water pollution. Water becomes polluted by dumping sewage, fertilizers, and other chemicals into water bodies. Polluted water harms all kinds of plants and animals. So, there is a need to reduce water pollution. How? That we'll learn. Don't dump garbage in water bodies. We should not allow sewage water to run into water sources, and we should reduce the use of detergents and soap. Ways to conserve water. Avoid wasting water. Close all taps when not in use and repair leaky taps. Small check dams should be constructed to store rainwater. Rainwater can be stored during monsoon through rainwater harvesting system, because of which the rainwater is stored in the tanks which are made under the ground. Air, that is also a valuable natural resource. Clean air is very important for all living beings. If we do not have clean air to breathe, we cannot live a healthy life. Similarly to us, plants and animals also need air to live. Humans need air to breathe. Birds also need air to fly. And we fill air in balloons, footballs, and cycle tires. Air is needed for burning. Air is used to move things like kite, helicopter, sailboat, and windmills. So, we can say that air is very useful to us, but that also we are polluting. The smoke from vehicles and factories pollute air and causes air pollution. There is a need to reduce air pollution. How? We should walk or cycle to nearby distances. Use public transport because public transport is the best way to reduce air pollution. It cuts down the number of vehicles on the road. Request your elders to service your cars and scooters regularly to reduce emission of smoke. Use eco-friendly fuels such as compressed natural gas, which is known as CNG, to run cars and buses. Do not allow polluting industries to operate in residential areas. Educate people about the harmful effects of pollution and say them to grow more and more plants, because plants are the filter for air because they purify air.